G'day, I'm Eddie Springer from Springer Solar. Today I want to talk to you about the renewable energy target and how that interacts with STCs and LGCs. STCs are the rebate that allows you to get a discount on your solar system, whether it be a residential system, small amount of STCs created from that system, creates a rebate that offsets your total price. A larger commercial solar system, up to 100 kilowatts, also allows you to create STCs from that system, and those STCs offset your purchase price. The amount of STCs generated from your system is based on the total system size. The bigger the system, the more STCs you create, and the bigger the point of sale discount or the bigger the rebate you get for your solar system. Now, STCs are important to consider because the amount of STCs you create is going down year on year on the 1st of January until 2030. The renewable energy target in its current form runs the STC market out until 2030. So when purchasing a solar system, you really need to consider the quality of the system you're purchasing to ensure that you're not going to have to replace it in 3, 4, 5 years' time when the STC value is going to be a lot less. Solar systems will get dearer as we roll out towards 2030, as that STC component, the rebate component, becomes less and less. Make sure you're buying a good quality system. Install a larger system than you may need because you're generating STCs from that system. You may have an electric vehicle in the future, you may have batteries in the future. Capture that STC number now, and STCs will reduce out to 2030, and there won't be a rebate in its current form. Thanks for listening to my talk. I am going to cover LGCs in a separate video. Cheers.